What's the difference between a nylon spatula and a melamine spatula? Just because the melamine spatula is broken doesn't mean that it's bad. There's no doubt that melamine is more brittle. But even though it's brittle, there's still a lot of advantages. A nylon spatula melts to where a melamine does not. Even though the melamine spatula is broken, look at the edge. There is no deterioration from heat at all. On this nylon, there's not much deterioration on this one, but it's relatively new. I've had these nylon spatulas that are so burned off you have to throw them away. Both of these spatulas are plastic and are safe on Teflon coated pans. If you used a metal spatula on a Teflon pan, you'd scratch it up. Sometimes a silicone spatula works out pretty good too. One other spatula to mention is a wooden one, and I really like these. They won't scratch, but they won't get under as easily. So out of all these spatulas, which is my favorite? Even though the melamine is brittle, I really like this one. If you do end up with something stubborn, you don't want to push too hard with this one. Push too hard with it, and it'll break. As long as you're gentle with this, it'll last and last. If you think you're going to push too hard, a nylon spatula is a good idea. You can pick up these melamine spatulas in a lot of different places. The dollar store, I got this one for $1. Imagine that, getting anything for $1 at the dollar store these days. With all these spatulas, am I going to replace this one? You bet. Those are my ideas about spatulas. If you've got any, please leave them in the comments below.